Now, the crucial Delhi COVID-19 meet is currently underway. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Delhi LG Anil Baijal, Health Minister Harshvardhan have reached the Home Ministry's office in North Block to meet with Home Minister Amit Shah. This comes after Shah had called for an emergency meet to discuss the COVID situation. This, even as Delhi reported 3,235 fresh COVID cases and 95 deaths in just the last 24 hours, taking the total cases now in Delhi to 4,85,405 and over 7,600 deaths reported. This is Amit Shah's second entry into Delhi's COVID fight. In June this year, Amit Shah had stepped up. In fact, he had come in to beef up Delhi's COVID fight that helped the capital there flatten the curve at that point of time.
कोरोना बढ़ रहा है, इसको लेके मैं भी चिंतित हूँ। दिल्ली में पिछले कुछ दिनों से कोरोना बढ़ रहा है। जो भी उचित कदम उठाने की ज़रूरत है, हम वो सभी उचित कदम उठा रहे हैं। अगले हफ्ते भी और कई सारी चीज़ें हमने सोची हुई हैं, कई सारे कदम और उठाए जाएंगे। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि हफ्ते 10 दिन के अंदर फिर से कोरोना की स्थिति काबू में आ जानी चाहिए, कोरोना कम होना चालू हो जाना चाहिए। अभी कुछ दिन बढ़ रहा है, लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ कि हफ्ते 10 दिन के अंदर कोरोना की स्थिति दिल्ली में काबू आ जानी चाहिए।
Right now also it is showing second wave or third wave also. If we see Europe, the second wave has come. That is why they have to impose lockdown again. And somewhere people are getting careless also. If you see, they are gathering in community functions and they are not wearing masks properly. And they are, maybe they have got tired of taking all these precautions. They have got tired of they are getting homesick also. That is why they are coming up. So long as our herd immunity doesn't go up to 60 to 80%, till that time we need to be very, very careful.
Cutting across to Tanushree Pandey for more details. Tanushree, the meeting is underway, the all-important crucial meet with LG Anil Baijal. You also have Harshvardhan, Health Minister, along with the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. They are meeting with Home Minister after he's called for an emergency meet looking at the COVID situation, the spike in cases and the rising pollution levels. So far, any word on what they've discussed?
Well, Nabila, that's right. The meeting is underway, and according to the information we are gathering, the first and the foremost problem which is being discussed by Home Minister Amit Shah and Anil Baijal and Health Minister Harshvardhan, also where Arvind Kejriwal is present, is to how to bring the numbers of COVID cases down. As you rightly mentioned, in the last 24 hours, National Capital witnessed single highest spike, which is ever seen in the National Capital. So we can say that Delhi is also emerging as one of the hotspots. So that is one of the problems being discussed, that how to bring the COVID cases down in the National Capital. Nabila, I am in CP right now, Connaught Place, at the center, at the heart of the National Capital, and I can tell you there is massive crowd and many of the people are not wearing masks and they are not following the norms of COVID. They are not maintaining social distance. So maybe perhaps the meeting, the officials discuss some sort of restrictions that has to be in place in Delhi so that the numbers can be brought down. Because in the last few days also we saw massive crowds just ahead of before Diwali. Many shoppers could be seen in the market and they were not following the rules. So definitely perhaps some restrictions can be expected in Delhi soon. Now the other things are how to increase the availability of ventilators and how to increase the availability of ICU beds in all the hospitals. That's going to be the primary focus also. And the fourth problem which is being discussed is to how to tackle the pollution. I'll tell you, just an hour ago, Delhi witnessed rains, which is some sort of respite for Delhi as far as pollution is concerned. But if we go by the authorities, the agencies, they are saying in the next few days, the pollution levels are going to come back. So how to tackle the toxic air which we have been seeing in the National Capital for the last few days, that is also one of the problems. So these four are the key problems and the key points which are right now being discussed in the meeting which is being chaired by Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Nabila, back to you.
Tanushree, thank you very much for bringing us those details on that. We're following up on the all-important meeting there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.